Introducing the Nail Hunter by Nailjack Tools. Let's face it, the idea of spending too much time pulling nails or staples or brads is not time well spent. You want to move forward with your project and try to get through the dirty work as quick as possible. How do we do that? We use the Nail Hunter by Nailjack Tools. Pulling staples is frustrating work for all sorts of reasons. Until now. Patent-protected features of the Nail Hunter include precise gripping tips for fine work, fulcrum bottom for repetitive, smooth movement and non-marring of your wood surface, spring-loaded jaws for easy open and close and repetition. Finally, the rear nail biter feature makes rapid removal both easy and quick. If you are removing your baseboards for reuse or just removing nails for a remodel, all of the Nail Hunter's features combine to allow a nice, easy response on otherwise tedious tasks. Look at the Nail Hunter pull brads completely through the back of the baseboard, leaving only the original entrance mark on the front of your wood. The Nail Hunter works on nails that are flush or below the surface of the wood. How else can you dig, grab, and pull in one fluid motion with less damage than any other tool? How much time is saved? How much money is saved? How much frustration is skipped altogether? What about the Nail Hunter's ability to save your wood from the dumpster? Wood with fasteners left inside is both dangerous and needlessly wasteful. Folks, wood is not growing on trees. Reuse otherwise perfectly good wood and save time, money, and an additional trip to the hardware store. Replace your ancient cat's paw with a static V opening and instead use the power of pliers. Let the gripping jaws close around the base of your fastener and use the handles to activate the fulcrum. Open the jaws and reset for a nail of any length. The Nail Hunter also works for larger nails, as you can see. Now again, for the use of this video, we're removing them relatively slowly so that you can see the operation. But this is a new, more efficient method for removing nails, staples, or brads with one-handed operation. And don't forget the nail biter feature of the Nail Hunter. As you can see, you can remove nails from the front of the tool and the rear of the tool with equal ease. How many times have you wanted to carefully, efficiently remove staples while retaining control so the staples don't pop somewhere else and cause some kind of secondary injury in your carpet or otherwise 2 or 3 days from now? How can we save wood, time, and effort? The Nail Hunter from Nailjack Tools.